Hey our friends, today we're gonna draw a fish monster.
Yeah, when the paper's closed, it'll just look like a fish, and then when you open it, it'll be a scary fish.
Yes.
Yeah, if you're gonna follow along, you ready to start?
Yes.
Actually, let's put our markers off to the side, and we're gonna fold our paper first. So we're gonna take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge. When you get the corners lined up, then crease it down the middle and then out to the sides. Yeah. Then we'll take the top flap and then line it up with the top edge and fold it down again. Yes. There you go. Then we're gonna flip over our paper and do it one more time. We're gonna take the top flap, line it up, and then crease it down. You can do it. There you go.
There we go.
Nice. This is just a guide fold, so we'll unfold it, flatten it out, and then flip our paper back over. When we're all done, it should open up like this. We also have some scratch paper we'll put underneath our drawing paper. This will just protect our table so we don't get marker on it.
Yeah.
But if you're using something else besides marker, you don't really need the scratch paper. Okay, now we're ready to draw our fish. And we're gonna draw half of it above the fold and half below. So let's start here on the right, and we're gonna draw a big curve coming up, over, and down. Then let's draw the bottom of our fish. We're gonna do that same curve except going this way, and then we'll connect over here on the right. Yeah. Now let's draw the fins. Let's first draw the tail fin. I'm gonna draw it curving up, and then we're gonna come back down, and then we can draw another big bump for the bottom of the tail fin. That was a crazy one. Then let's draw the top fin. We'll draw a big curve over the top. And then down here at the bottom, let's draw a little fin and a big fin. Then we could also make it more 3D by adding another little fin next to it. And then let's also draw the side fin. Let's draw the letter U, or kind of a backwards C. And we could also draw a little curve right here to connect the top of the fin. And then what are we missing?
It's I.
Yeah, let's draw a little eye right here. And we could also draw a smaller circle inside and then color in the big circle to make it look friendly. Although this isn't going to be a very friendly fish.
Yeah.
And that's it. That's our little fish. But let's open it up and we can flatten out the fold. We got to draw the monster part. We got the top of the fish up here, and then down here we have the bottom of our fish, and we need to connect it. So first, let's connect the side right here. I'm going to draw it curving to the right a little bit and then back in. Yeah. And then let's finish the tail fin. I'm going to draw it crazy, so I'm going to add some zigzags and then maybe some big bumps. You could change this any way you want. I'm going to draw it crazy. Yeah, that looks like a monster fin. Yeah. And then we can draw the mouth next. So first, let's draw the mouth coming down further past the fold. And then down here, let's draw it coming up past the fold. Then let's draw a big curve and a big curve going this way. Yeah, and then we can also draw it connecting down. Okay, now we need the scary teeth. Let's draw big zigzags. Oh, it's gonna look like a piranha.
Oh yeah.
I'm drawing some of the teeth really big and some small. So you can mix them up. You can also make them a lot longer or taller too. You don't have to make them as small as, you could make them really big if you want. Yeah, that looks awesome. Now you could also add more things to your monster fish. You could draw spikes or more fins right here. We could also add something that our fish is gonna eat.
Fish.
Another fish?
Yeah.
Okay, let's draw a skeleton fish.
Oh yeah.
Okay, first we're gonna draw the head. We're gonna draw it curving around. It's gonna look like a backwards letter C. Yeah. And then we're going to draw the mouth, curve in, and then back out, and then I'm going to connect it in. Okay, and then we could draw a nostril and also an eyeball. Then let's draw sharp teeth inside of this mouth. I'm going to draw them on top and bottom. And then we need to draw the scales or the ribs, the skeleton part. So first let's draw a straight line coming back with a spike and then connect it back into the head. Okay, and then we're going to draw the ribs or the bones. So I'm going to draw a curve like that and then one coming down too. Then we're going to draw more of these, but watch, I'm going to draw them getting smaller as they come back to the end of the skeleton. And then I'm going to do the same down here for the bottom. Then let's add a little tail fin too, so we could draw a curve going up and down. And then I'm going to draw it curving in and back out. Let's connect right here. I'm going to connect to maybe that one, and then also connect up here to that one. Then let's color in the shapes in between the bones. Then we can add one last fin on top and also a fin on the bottom. We did it. We finished drawing our fish monster, except we still need to
Color them.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. And also, one more tip when we're coloring, if you want, you can first color your fish with it folded up. So if you add stripes, then when you open it up, you can make sure that you connect the stripes when it's open. Yeah. All right, let's speed things up. Austin, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our little fish. Except we gotta show our friends the inside. Yes. Are you ready? Count of three. One,
3, 2.
Oh wait, we're counting.
1, 2, 3.
I love your little fish, man, and especially the skeleton. We added more things though. I've added some bubbles. And, but you could change this. Our art friends could add even different things. And we also added this extra line right here to make the mouth look more 3D, like the fish is gonna go inside of it.
Yeah.
But this is one of my new favorite folding surprises.
Yeah,
so it looks all cute, and then all of a sudden it's not so cute.
And you can also change the pattern.
Yeah, we did stripes with the blue and orange, but you could change it any way you want. You could also add a background. That would be really cool.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a fish monster.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you have fun adding extra things and coloring your drawings. We'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.
Chomp, chomp, chomp. Oh wait, I'm going the wrong way. Chomp, chomp.